What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some Big Mac burritos. And I know what you're saying. Black Hour, what are you smoking? Well, I'm not telling. So get your ass over here and let's get started. That's right, baby, the Big Mac burrito. Now me, I love the Big Mac baby, a classic from McDonald's. But you know what, every time I get that thing, I make a damn mess of myself. It gets everywhere, all over my clothes, all over the house, all over the dog, because the dog's sitting under me begging for something. So I figured out the other day, why not just take a Big Mac and wrap it up in a big old burrito tortilla and keep all that mess wrapped up in inside, baby, where it don't make a mess. Good thinking. And now we're gonna put it to use. So, first thing that we gotta do is take our hamburgers here. I got the pre-formed patties again. But if you want to, you can go ahead and get some ground beef, mash it up, make your own homemade burgers. But for me, this is quicker and it tastes just the same. So, now, put these burgers in the pan like I'm doing here. And at McDonald's, you know, your old boy back in the day, way back in the day, he used to work at McDonald's. Did my time there. And, you know, pretty much all they put on their burgers is salt and pepper. And that works for me because what the hell do we do, baby? Salt and pepper. So, take that black pepper first, sprinkle it right on the top, and make a tasty looking burger. Woo! Next, get the salt, baby. If we can get it open, and then we're going to sprinkle. Sprinkly. Make it rain salt. Now, we're going to let these burgers go for about 10 minutes aside, 5 minutes aside. Just check them and flip them. And by the time that they're done, we'll come back. We'll throw them on the cutting board. And we'll pretty much be ready to assemble that Big Mac burrito, baby. So let's go over here and have another drinking, shall we? Come on. Alright, baby. The burgers are all done. And I've went ahead and cut them up into pretty good sized chunks. Now this is just going to help me stack them on that old burrito. So, now that we've got the burger done, we can go ahead and start assembling here our 2 all-beef patties, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, no onions, and a burrito, baby. Woo! Put that taco shell down there, that burrito shell. Then we're going to take some of this hamburger and line it up right down the middle. Now you can use as much or as little as you want to. Me, I'm going to load it up, baby. I like a big one. A big beefy burger, baby. Now, we get the burger on there. Next thing we'll do is add a little bit of lettuce. Now the Big Mac, every time I get the Big Mac, the damn lettuce is falling off the side of that thing, all over the car, all over everything. So I'm not going to use a whole lot, but I am going to use a good amount. And like I said, the great thing about the burrito, it, you know, ain't gonna fall out because it's all wrapped up at the end. I had to think, you know, I had the image of it in my mind, and my lips just didn't want to cooperate. It's the mango. But it's good. Next, we will go ahead and add a little cheese. Now we're going to use cheddar cheese because we're going to try to stick as close to the Big Mac recipe as we can. Now I know they have American cheese, but it's a yellow cheese, so sprinkle that. Ooh, that looks good. Next, we will take a few pickles and put them down the middle. Traditionally, as far as I know, McDonald's puts about 2 or 3 pickles on each burger. So we're going to do the same. You're going to use 3, and we're going to line them up right down the middle like that. Last but not least, the sauce, baby. Now everybody, you know, Mac sauce has been a secret for a long time, but it's really not been a secret because if you've been looking around, they've been telling you how to make the shit for years. All it really is Thousand Island dressing with a little bit of onions and a little bit of relish, some dill mustard in there maybe, and a little bit of vinegar, some other thing. But now, if you go to Walmart or any of your supermarkets really, they're going to sell you this stuff and it's called special sauce. And it says right here, top secret confidential top secret condiment. So I've got some of this today and we're going to drip it right on the top. So like I say, it ain't no big secret. Who you fooling around? Shit, we all know how to make Mac sauce, baby, because we can buy the stuff. Woo! Looks good to me. Doesn't it look good to you? Let's stand back and marvel at this marvelous Big Mac burrito, baby. Woo! Alright, baby, the time has come. The Big Mac burrito is done. And I'm having the first bite just for me, baby. Woo! I sure hope old Ronald McDonald and Red Croc's ghost don't come and sue my ass, boy. Woo! That'd be terrible. I have to call a hamburger. Oh my God. Oh man. Spot on. Spot on. Makes you want to go. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I am loving it, baby. Woo! That is good. Well, I want to thank y'all for joining me on this episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you next time.